Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a review and tutorial on the new Jet Set collection that JOUER just launched. They sent me this giant PR package with the entire collection, so I definitely want to show you guys what this collection was all about, show you guys all the pieces that come in here, and they also came out with 4 lip kits, and in the end of this video I actually show you all 4 lip kits, do like a little lip swatch section of this video. So if you guys want to see the tutorial, review, and lip swatches, then keep on watching. So the first thing that I'm going to play with from this collection is the eyeshadow palette, and this is the Essential Jet Set Matte Eyeshadow Palette. It retails for $24. There are 6 matte eyeshadows in here, and you have a pretty good range of colors. You have your lighter shades for highlighting and your transition colors. There's a warm kind of red matte brown in here, and then you have your dark smoky colors. So you have a little bit of everything. You can create a lot of looks with this palette. The first color I'm going to use is Cloud 9, which is the soft ivory color, and I'm just going to brush this underneath my brow bone for a highlight. Check In is the next color I'm going to use, and I'm going to sweep this back and forth in my crease, and this is going to be like a soft matte peach color. To add some definition to my crease, I'm going to use Carry On eyeshadow, which is kind of like a neutral brown, and I'm just blending this back and forth with an angled eyeshadow brush, and then I'm going to go back in with a fluffy blending brush just to sweep out those edges. Now I'm going to use First Class eyeshadow to kind of blend out that taupey color we used in the crease, and this is also going to warm up the look. Now I'm going to take a mixture of a eyeshadow primer and also a concealer and a flat concealer brush and start to pat this on my lid to really carve out and define my crease. I'm going back in with Check In eyeshadow, and I'm just going to pat this on the center of my lid where I carved out my crease. Then I just wanted to go back in and shade a little bit more in my crease with that Carry On eyeshadow. Now I'm going to take Carry On eyeshadow and pop this color in the outer and inner corner of my lower lid. This is going to create more of a halo smoky eye. Now I'm going to smoke out my lash line with a smudger brush, and I'm using Black Card eyeshadow, which is a jet black matte shadow. For underneath my lower lashes, I'm going to use Carry On eyeshadow again and just smudge this underneath, and this will give more of a blown out smoky eye look. And then I'm just blending out those edges with a fluffy eyeshadow brush and First Class eyeshadow. And to tie everything together, I'm going to use Black Card eyeshadow again and smoke out my lower lashes. Now I'm just going to apply a few coats of mascara to my top and bottom lashes, and then I'm going to line my lash line with the Kitten liner. This retails for $18. This is long lasting, there's no transfer, and it's water resistant. Super easy to apply. And of course my look wouldn't be complete without some lashes, so I'm taking the Venus lashes from KoKo lashes, which are my fave. Now I'm going to move on to my complexion, and in this collection JOUER came out with 2 bronzer duos, and I'm actually going to use one in this collection, but let me just show you an up close look on what these bronzer duos look like. So this one has 2 colors. This one is for light to medium, and this one is the medium to deep. Now I'm going to use the medium to deep duo, and I'm using the darkest color in the palette called Sunset, which is a rich terracotta is how they explain it, and then I'm just applying this to my temples, hollows of my cheeks, just to give me a little color on my complexion. Now I'm just going to quickly contour my cheekbones before I move on to blush. Now I'm using the lightest shade in this duo, and I'm actually going to use this as blush. This color is called Sun Kiss, which is like a golden honey. It gives you a hint of color. To highlight my cheekbones, I'm using the limited edition Celestial Powder Highlighter. They describe this as a shimmering duochrome lilac pink. It's so pretty on the cheekbones, and I think it would look really pretty as eyeshadow too. So now I'm going to show you guys the Jet Set lip kits that they came out with. They retail for $24. There are 4 different kits, so if you want to see all the swatches and combinations, then keep on watching. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and review, and if you want to know all the products I used in this video, I will list them down below. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you to JOUER for sharing this collection with me, and I will see you guys in the next video.